Sawadika! Welcome to Thailand! So we arrived around 11:30 and it's lunchtime. Gutom na kami. So we're at
Central World.
Central World.
Nagpipicture yung mga thunders dito. Ang init-init.
So kasama pala namin ang aming mother bells and ang aming auntie bells. Ang mga thunders.
Yung mga senior citizens.
Mga senior citizens. Okay, let's go inside kasi sobrang init.
We're gonna have lunch at Khub Khao Khupla. That's why.
It looks yummy. Spicy crispy pork. This one is the pork omelette. Bango! Oh my gosh. This is a shrimp with coconut milk. Something. First month in Thailand. They have a lot of stock ng Girono. Her favorite. Ano, bibili ka ba?
Of course.
1,170.
Hi guys! So, hindi na kami masyado nakapag-vlog kanina sa Pop-Mart kasi sobrang chaotic. Ang sikip pa pero we got the goods!
Dito pala sa Thailand, mainit, mahangin, halibuya.
Okay, so now we're off to Platinum Mall or sa December's Mall. And mamimili na agad tayo ng mga damit on our first day. Wala na akong pake sa itsura ko kasi
Hindi naman nila tayo kalagatin.
oo, tsaka ang init para pumorma pa.
Mamaya na lang kung ano yung gusto.
May nakita ka ng prutas mo? Marami akong guava, pomelo, mango. Shopping time! Kasi sobrang dami, wala pa kaming nabibili. There's so many shoes from. Hindi ko na alam. Ay, gusto ko to.
Wow!
Cute!
Ay, hindi pala dito.
Sabi nila masarap daw to. But, eto muna tayo sa maliit. Are you gonna get this?
Yeah.
Room tour. So we just checked in. And there's a mini ref. And a free coffee. Here's the restroom. It's very clean. And it's spacious. We have a cabinet here. Then a full length mirror. It's a must. And we have a table here and there's a free snacks. And then meron ding free 2 bottled waters. And there's a TV. And here is the bed. Sobrang sakto lang para sa aming dalawa. And then here's the window. We have a view of the other hotel. Okay, so magpapahinga lang kami and then siguro mamayang gabi na ulit kami lalabas kasi sobrang pagod na namin. Ang sakit na ng legs ko. Day 1 pa lang. Before we rest, gagawa muna tayo ng mini day 1 haul. So medyo madami na tayo agad na nabili. Wala pa tayong 10 hours dito. So we went to December's Mall, yung mall beside Platinum kasi mas okay daw yung mga clothes doon.
Ano to? Ano nakalagay? Please excuse my face because I'm so tired and it's so hot.
So for me, I got this white top na very demure. Kasi feeling ko lang, magagamit ko siya pang temple. Kasi wala talaga akong Dalang mga clothes. Basta parang siyang ganyan. Korean. Very demure. Very cutesy. And very
Mindful and
mindful. Okay. Second, I bought a long skirt. Still, para sa temple kasi wala talaga akong dalang damit na pwede sa temple. So, it's a long skirt. Hindi ko na siya bubuksan. Bumili kami ni Margo ng matchy-matchy.
So this is mine. I got the cream color.
And I got the black color. So, let's open it. So, sana kasha siya. Pero feeling ko
Kasi hindi kami sure. Pero feeling ko naman, kasha naman.
isa lang kasi yung mga sizes doon and bawal mag-fit. So,
Magagawa ng paraan.
the set looks like this. Ayan. Mamaya pagkaligo namin, malalaman natin if kasha. Pero we got this one for, magkano nga? 400 baht. For the whole set na siya. So, ayan. Day 1 pa lang. We went to Pop Mart. So, nag-walk-in lang kami. The other one, na Hirono. Tapos
Yes!
ito naman, itong Crying Parade. Yun lang. Then, this one, pasabay lang to sa akin. Hey guys! Quick outfit check! So, we are off to Jod Fairs for dinner! Bye! See you there! So, we're now here at Jod Fairs. Marami rin silang mga stores dito na mga damit, aside from food, ito mga kiss. Sobrang daming store. Ay, ang cute! Medyo na-distract sabi pagkain lang, pero madami palang store. Alan, ito cute nga din. Cute! Parang gusto ko to.
Try first. Okay. Oh, ganda. Yan. Pwede sa mga
Punta. Look at her cake. It's so good. We got this for 250 baht. Here's what we got. We have, ano ba tawag mo dito? Krapaw, ano yun? Pad krapaw.
stir-fried chicken.
Stir-fried chicken with basil. This one's crispy pork with fried egg and basil. Roti Nutella. And itong mga Coke. What did you buy?
Avocado. This is avocado passion fruit smoothie.
Wow!
95.
Sarap! Ay, parang ang sarap!
Dami pa.
And this one, 40 baht.
Wow! 40 baht.
Pad Thai.
Day 2 in Bangkok and we're going to Shatok Shop Weekend Market. So it's a Sunday today kaya sakto kasi open ng Shatok Shop. And while waiting for the others, I'm gonna have a fit check. This is what I'm wearing, very comfy kasi maraming lakaran, malaki ang Shatok Shop. So kailangan comfy tayo. We are going to take the BTS going to Shatok Shop. And sobrang sakto kasi libre yung BTS or buses nila here in Bangkok until January 31. I think it's because of the air pollution, pero so far, okay naman. We're going to take the free shuttle sa hotel until dun sa BTS station na malapit, which is the Payatai station. So, let's go. Tuk-tuk. There's just like a 3-minute walk going to the BTS from the drop-off station ng free shuttle of our hotel. Yung BTS Payatai. Oh. Libre. Okay guys, we got free Kaya.
Hashtag local.
Ari. Next station, Ari.
Guys, look at this. Essentials to pag nandito kayo. Ang init.
Ito brown. Ito brown.
Guys, I'm getting some Russians already. It's so hot. Yeah, $11:30 na. Gutom na ako.
Oo, tagal po pumili ng mga tanners.
Ang cute ng order.
Ang pretty to eh. Ano mo?
He got some elephant shorts. Parang ang laki ah.
Okay, Muay Thai. Ito pong shorts na to. Hindi siya masyadong stretchable, pero mas maganda yung garter niya. Pa-comment na lang po mine po. Code Muay Thai.
Poison kayo dyan. Poison. Ang laki.
Malaki pa sa mukha ko. Nasa spicy.
Nakalimutan ko na mag-vlog, pero ito yung order namin. What's this?
This mackerel. I don't know.
Mackerel. Sardinas. You know, this
I think this one is omelette.
It's a small restaurant, pero sobrang daming kumakain. Napapatulala na. Ito sa amin, fried rice. So, 1 hour kami nagantay dito. Pero tumawag naman sila, buy one sub. So, yeah. Tumawag. Millennial. Tumawag.
Pag di tayo kumakain,
Oh! Waiting for the BTS. Ayan na pala. Ayan na, tara na, let's go. Sana makaupo. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, we're now here at Siam Square. So first stop is Even Boy to shop for some makeup if meron mong mabili. Hey guys! So we're back at the hotel. And sobrang sakit ng paa ko.
talaga, I can't feel my legs anymore.
So for this day, nag-shopping lang talaga kami ng malala. Pero parang wala naman akong masyadong nabili. Look! In the morning, we went to Shadow Shack. And then, nag-Siam Square kami. Tapos, Pratunam Night Market. So we're gonna do a day 2 haul. So ba tayo mag-start? So, ito muna yung sa Shutterstock. These are the things that I bought. So, I just bought a dress na may sleeves kasi ito yung sasuot ko maybe tomorrow. Ito. This is a dress. Hindi ko pa nga siya nasusukat if kasha. Pero feeling ko naman kasha. So, bukas ko na ito ipapakita sa inyo. And then, I also bought, of course, these inhalers. Na-try ko na kasi yung Poison, tsaka yung Yadong ba yun? Yung favorite ni Lisa. So, Ito naman tayo ngayon, yung
Saan mo binili
pastel.
yun?
I got this for 120 yata. Ito, super cute kasi elephant shirts for dogs. So, binilan ko si Yoshi and Ollie. May pasalubong na ako sa kanila. Ito, super cute and sobrang bait ng seller. Yan. We have black and white. Siyempre, meron din kaming elephant pants. Puro black. Wala kaming ibang biniling color kasi gusto namin black para bagay sa lahat. So, ito may pants. So, yung sa akin is shorts kasi wala lang, mas strip ko to. Feeling ko mas masasuot yung shorts kaysa sa pants. Boxer shorts na super cute yung designs. Ito. Got this for 89 each. Then, si Morgo is bumili ng pouch. May makeup pouch siya. So, open. Ang cute!
Bukas.
Yan. Bumili rin sila ng earrings for 100. Bumili si Mario ng Muay Thai shorts. Bumili. Nagpabili pa lang. Yan. This one's for 300 baht. Sa Even Boy, ito lang nabili niya yung
Blush. Kasi
blush
maganda
ng
yun.
For You Too. So, if you're looking for a Thai makeup brand na magaganda, ito. Yung For You Too. Maganda rin yung mga lip tint nila. So, pinag-iisipan ko, bibili ako. And then, these are the stuff that we bought sa Prato ng Night Market. Siya ng top.
Sino yan?
Someone's knocking. Pink top na isusuot niya tomorrow. Bumili ako ng case. This Pop Mart na case. Pero, I don't think this is original. Nakatawad ako dito. Binibenta niya ng 290. Tapos, tumawad ako ng 250 na lang. And bumili rin si Marga ng Crocs. I mean, parang Crocs lang. Pero, hindi naman siya Crocs na
Ito kasi
brand.
dito yun eh.
Yan.
Pero ang ganda.
Ito, 100 baht lang to. Dumaan lang ako sa Frank Garden store and Daddy and the Muscle Academy ba yun? So, yung Daddy and the Muscle Academy, bumili lang ako ng cup. This one. Yan. Dito naman is poster. Poster lang na cute. So far, yun lang naman yung nabili namin. Na-expect ko madami akong mabibili, pero hindi naman pala. So yeah, that's all for today. I'm so tired na. See you guys tomorrow. Bye!